viewers, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This is my 5th lecture on the topic Programming in Java. In this video, we will be discussing about the different terms, that is the JDK file, JRE and JVM files. For all the programming languages, there will be a compiler or an interpreter. And in Java, we will be writing the source code, and the compiler will be converting the source code into bytecode. And we use the command javac to compile the program, and the command java to execute the program. So to run a Java program, we have to check whether these files are present in the computer, that is the JDK file and a JRE file. And we can check the 3 different files: JDK, JRE and JVM. So first one is JVM. The full form of JVM is Java Virtual Machine. So in the name itself, it is said that it is virtual. So there is no physical existence for this file. It is an abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it does not physically exist. So it is a virtual machine and it does not physically exist in the computer. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which the Java bytecode can be executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled to Java bytecode. The JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE and JDK are platform dependent because the configuration of each OS is different from each other. But Java is platform independent. And there are 3 notations for JVM, that is specification, implementation and instance. And the main task performed by JVM is it loads the code, it verifies the code, it executes the code and also provides a runtime environment. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing a Java application. And it provides a runtime environment, and it is known as the implementation of JVM, and the JRE file physically exists. It contains a set of libraries and other files that JVM uses at runtime. Next is a JDK file. JDK means Java Development Kit. The JDK file is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications as well as applets, and it also physically exists. It contains JRE and development tools. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine and a few other resources, and the resources are interpreter or loader, that is to support the command Java, a compiler to support javac, an archiver jar, a documentation generator Java doc, etc. to complete the development of a Java application. An assignment question in this session is differentiate between JDK, JRE and JVM. So write the question and answer in your notebook and send it in the WhatsApp. Thank you.